Shalom and Boker Tov, everybody. This is Dr. Reuven Bekermus, Director of Israel Functional Medicine, and we are continuing our series on health talk for the Pilzno community and the world at large. We were talking about the word shine, S-H-I-N-E, standing for sleep hormones, infections, nutrition, and exercise. And we were involved in this explaining, I remember, it's been a few weeks, the function of the adrenal glands. The hormones produced by the adrenal glands, like epinephrine, norepinephrine, cortisol, which is also adrenaline, are very important and a tremendous gift that our Creator gave us. Commonly known, and you might remember from biology, even in high school, the adrenaline or cortisol response, that when we see a scary item or we get a certain fright, like it's called fight or flight mechanism, when we would see a lion or a bear. And so the extra energy that we need to fight or run away super fast is from the adrenaline or cortisol response. So that's a good thing and a tremendous favor, again, that the Creator gave us when we need it. Commonly, though, and I see this in so many patients, and as well as any holistic practitioner who understands the hormonal system, will tell you that many patients are adrenal insufficient or adrenal fatigued. And the reason for that is because our brains respond to a stimuli, like seeing a bear or a lion, whether in reality or in our mind's imagination. So the brain doesn't differentiate between an imagined stimuli or a real stimuli. So if we are being bombarded by stressors that we're not responding or reacting to in a calm, mellow way, then constantly our adrenal glands are reacting by putting adrenaline or cortisol into our bloodstream to prepare us. When that happens over and over again, the adrenal glands get fatigued or dysfunctional. Now, the symptoms of that might be fatigue, tiredness all the time. It might be also anxiety and insomnia because the person now doesn't have the tools to deal with stuff in life. Like they say in Yiddish, a kleine Sach wird a große Sach, meaning even small things become larger and little things bother us and we can't sleep, we have anxiety, panic attacks, etc. There is a solution to this. So besides emunah and bitachon and meditation and working on ourselves to be able to react and respond to life stuff in a more calm way, in a nutritional, the nutritional aspect would be to take adrenal support supplements, which I have sold and recommended to thousands of patients with usually tremendous, extraordinary results. So the natural herbs that Hashem made, like ashwagandha, rhodiola, magnolia, licorice, holy basil, etc., really work well. And on occasion, for a more serious case, we use something called a glandular or protomorphogen, which is an actual adrenal cortex from a bovine, from a cow. And so even though it's not a kosher cow, most Rabbanims give a heter to take it because it's medication and there's no hana and it's not achila, but I'm not your rabbi, I'm your doctor. And so usually I recommend and most patients do well with the herbal remedies, with the herbal boost for the adrenal glands. So in my office, I test the adrenals. There's something called hypostatic blood pressure, or I do kinesiology, muscle testing, or even by just talking to a patient and seeing that they're, a type A personality, a perfectionist, and etc. So that you can tell that they're the kind of person whose adrenals are fatigued. So thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to sharing with you on this next segment. Have a great day.